Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 8 of January 2020 question number 11. Mean and standard deviation of 10 observations are 20 and 2 respectively. If p not equal to 0 is multiplied to each observation and then q not equal to 0 subtracted, then new mean and standard deviation become half of original value, then find q. This is the problem in the house of mean median. At first, let 10 observations are mean and standard deviation of 10 observations. So let 10 observations are x1 comma x2 comma dot x10 are 10 observations. These are the 10 observations. So here mean is given, mean is equal to 20 is given, and standard deviation SD is equal to 2 is given here. First condition, if p not equal to 0 is multiplied to each observation. Firstly, if p multiplied with this, now it is become px1 px2 comma dot px10. So our new mean become new mean is p20 and SD becomes mod of p into 2, because if we multiplied p with our observations, then SD is multiplied with modulus of p. Secondly, then q not equal to 0 is subtracted to the new mean and the standard deviation become half of the original. Second condition gives that if q is subtracted from this, so this become px1 minus q comma px2 minus q comma dot px10 minus q. This is our new observations. So our new mean is equal to, also change, it becomes 20p minus q, but shifting origin standard deviation remain unchanged. So standard deviation becomes mod of p into 2. Now the question gives standard deviation become half of the original value and mean be also the half of the original value. So 20p minus q is equal to, original mean is 20, half of this is 10. This is equation number 1. And standard deviation is equal to mod 2 into 2, mod p into 2, and half of this is equal to mod p, 2 mod p is equal to half, means standard deviation is 2, half of this is become 1. So it is equation 2. Now implies modulus of p is equal to half, therefore p is equal to plus minus half. Applying p is equal to plus half in equation 1, at p is equal to plus half, equation 1 becomes 220 into half minus q is equal to 10. that means q is equal to 0. But the question gives that q naught is equal to 0. So this one is rejected here. Now secondly, applying p is equal to minus half in equation 1. So equation 1 become 20 into minus half minus q is equal to 10. That implies minus 10 minus q is equal to 10. That implies q is equal to minus 20. So it is our required answer. And we reached. So our option is option 2. This is the whole problem with solutions. Any questions, any queries, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.